Are you wondering if you can actually use WhatsApp in this smart bracelet smartwatch? Well, I have some good news actually. You can actually receive WhatsApp notifications on this watch, but first you actually need to install this Fit Pro app. So make sure to install this app and simply connect both the watch and phone together. And then over here, basically click this Set tab over here on the bottom, and then click this Message Push. Okay. And then make sure to actually enable this WhatsApp. So by default, actually, it's not enabled. So if you do not actually enable this, you actually can't receive WhatsApp notifications. Again, make sure also to enable all other things that you actually want to basically receive notifications from. So, and basically once WhatsApp notification arrives, it will pop on the screen. So you can see also all the messages, basically WhatsApp in the messages. So simply hold a bit, and basically as you can see, yeah, you can actually see the name of the person basically that sent us the message, and also we can yeah, like scroll through all the messages that we haven't actually read. Okay, and also let me send myself a message so you will see. So I have some very tiny phone, so let's see how fast it arrives. As you can see, it's like pretty much instant. So if basically you do not have that person in the contacts, it will only show like your name basically. So if I send again, you see it only shows the number, but if you have it in contacts, it also show the basically the name of the person as well. And also let me actually try to send myself a image and see what it does. So it says I have received a photo, but I can't really see that photo. So again, you can only see text messages. Also, you actually can't reply on the messages as well. So you can only read them. So that's the limitation on this watch. But apart from that, as you saw, basically it was super fast, and you received basically the notification almost instantly on this watch. So which is actually kind of cool. Anyway, good luck, guys.